Hello everyone, my name is Jordy from Cinecom.net, and I recently collaborated with Adobe on a new short film that I created called Routine. Now, it's a film from the character's point of view, with lots of transitions between each shot. But what I'd like to have a look at is my intro title, and I'd love to show you how I've created that inside Adobe Premiere Pro. But first, let's see how the new titling tool works. So, using the text tool, you can click in your program monitor to start typing your text. You'll notice that a new graphics layer has been added to your timeline. Now, very interesting is that you can store multiple titles, shapes, and even images or videos into this graphics layer, which will keep your timeline organized. Now, with the layer selected, you can start creating new titles or even use the pen tool to draw shapes. Open the Essential Graphics window from the window menu on top, and in here you'll find all the graphic layers that we've created. We can change their order, and on the bottom you'll find various options to stylize your graphics. And now let's recreate that same animation that I did for my short film. So start off by typing your film title. From the Essential Graphics, I align my text to the middle, change its font, and adjust some of the other styles until I'm happy with how my final title looks like. When I'm done, I right-click on my text layer and choose Duplicate. For a brief moment, I'm going to disable the bottom text so that I solely see the duplicate. Select the text in your title except for the first letter. From the options, disable Fill. Now go back to your layers and disable the top layer and enable the bottom layer back. Here we'll do the same thing, but only now select the first letter and then dechecking Fill. We now have all of the letters on the right place, and the first letter sits in a separate layer. We can now go ahead and create our animation. So, go a little further in time, as we'll start with the end position. Then click on the position icon to start the animation, and this will already record its current position. Then go back in time and move the first letter to the left as it goes over the rest of your title. Now, from the effects controls, you'll also find your individual graphics layer, plus their keyframes if you'd like to make some advanced tweaks in here. Next, I'm going to click on the New Layer button to add a rectangle to the graphic. Change its size so that it covers the rest of the title. Make sure that you place this rectangle shape above the text that you want to reveal. You can then find on the bottom of the graphics option a selection called Mask with Shape, and this will reveal the text when the shape is over that text. Now, we are going to do it the other way around, and will therefore invert the text mask, which you can do right here. And now simply enable the animation for the position of that rectangle from the point your first letter starts moving. Then go forward in time where it stops, and then move the rectangle. Now, as a final touch, I'm also going to add a drop shadow effect to the first letter to give a little more depth to it when it moves over the text. And that's how I've done it. Thank you so much for watching, and definitely make sure to check out the other tutorials from my short film in the playlist. The link can be found in the description below.